My mo chene mo kwaba Adom TV Badwam dwumade no eso ye de nyame asese nefie nso wama yen akati asefo ho dwumade ne ya hyase dada ye de dwum na di kane de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensam ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini produced by company ye aban adwuma sempenifofo na ensifom de ne egu ye bebo awram ne yakwakohwese de ensam no etie na fe yakọ ahinkrasu community no won wo sre One school, primary school back wo baby ejina ya mianim ni enkoye eno ne nsem bi na no pay medebro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 or YouTube Adom TV Tube kwa adomonline.com sabno ho medidi afia abankwa tamaklo afia ni de bi ntie se den 70 no etie produced by company edumekuo ya ban no edia yen chafa so man no ewo mu no do so pa na wo mu wo hawo mu sika semfamu ene adwuma no se de begina ne na so na make say one more national president the ma professional and managerial staff union Cosmos na wodin same to ja won centrefo nhyiamudie ase Adom kase ekobi
Shimo ekosono ana president aono eneda managerial staff union ano edito abanenim se wonhwe se wode nhihye awodo ebegu akwam se ne womo haw no obeso ano ede aboa na womo enwuma no etimi akonanim.
In 2010 and 2011 PBC placed first in the prestigious Ghana Club 100 ranking of companies. Unfortunately, the fortunes of the company in subsequent years witnessed periods of major decline until the current season, that is the 2023-2024 main crop season, when the company could not buy a single bean of cocoa. The current poor performance of the company has brought untold hardship on the workers of PBC. No salary increment for the past 8 years. Non-payment of salary for 11 months, and more for those with special issues. Unpaid deductions from salaries for Provident Fund contributions.
Ahinkrasu community awatiwa East Mensimo Estres District Assembly Primary School no womomra me ni yemfama wo na school ne tibie mu no enye kura adane ofidie akyerkyerefo kyerese dua sekra no ye won lesson notes ena nkura no so abadua ase ena omotena hwia de Adom kase ekohoye
ye ha we di kan e school dan nsem fata se nipa kura de etrem se motum ani hwe me manimu a isi akura ibere ase na nkwala no ye de ete ahunte ya sesre nsole na nkwala no ye de ku school nti de esre ne se abani ankura nkure o meboa na hankresu yesu ye fan tuma pemfula nye no nso nko ye kwan so nye ye kwan atete apansam nse mo ba mo anka se mo hu se de kwan ne te enu achi ye kurodua ye wom ye di toilet ye ma bibiri o hanmo ha ye nti esre se ne nsantwofo ma bedu ha yi manya kwanya me ne mo kasa de mo adawroma mo be wiase nyina aso ate na obia wo mo wase de bebo hankresu bia no ofema boaye
eno achi na eje ikirema wogina kwante nkura premra hye bedwam de brewati wa east e de cement ekoma krumpanimfo ese beye a wo be hye edan sie no ase
nanam editu menim se school dan ya mo nkwada ekomu school no akoya yam hyehye oma boa senka omanya na ban panifo ebe abedi hu dwuma enso oma twan ya mba na omo ntwan se atoye nkyem bibesi esan se de school dan net no enframa kra abo ya yam hyehye insu oto ya yam hyehye enti omo hiamboa ampa mekyerɛm se omo ankasa a take initiative so mpɛsɛ omo boa ne de omo ye ne de na esefata se kakra bia obia wo bia no obetimi de aboa
NDC amanyoko Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama yi MPP ano se won munyan se wode won mamemu etoto kane mampani dada enkroma ede ho no wo kyerɛ mu se de MPP ahwehwe men yasie ehu hiampo se wode won ho toto enkroma ho ye la violation ne mempasa me wo ayawa so westwo go na batom pesua so ya wakɔ no maprobo eno den semi etudwa.
If you are ill and you know it's typhoid, you are diagnosed, you know it's typhoid, you are halfway towards getting the cure. Unfortunately, the people who have caused this economic crisis do not even realize there's a crisis. Because when you hear them say they are the best government and that even Nkrumah doesn't come, it shows that they don't even understand the situation in which Ghana is. Because if they understood the situation, we're still 5 months to an election. There are urgent measures that they can take to ameliorate the situation. You don't go saying, vote for me, and when I come, I will do this. You can do it now. You say you rationalize taxes. 5 months to an election, you can rationalize. It's enough time to rationalize taxes. All the promises you are making, you have enough time to start implementing them right now. And say, no, vote for me first, and then I'll come and do it.
Osanka to also say, I think Pinu any doing Siemu and Sembia, a bayantis was a say a cafan hono, Nano Crabia enim, na fee, so one more yes, or Bessaya shall see Bumwa, and Yadia said Bayer Juma.
What they did in 2016, they can't do again. They say you can fool some of the people some of the time. You can fool all the people some of the time. But you can't fool all the people all the time. Ghanaians are widely awake. We are wide awake, and this time they cannot take Ghanaians for a ride. Those false promises are not going to work. If you have anything to do for Ghanaians, you have enough time to do it now. You have 5 months. If you can't do it in 5 months, there's no guarantee that you can do it, even if we give you 4 years or 8 years.
Afrobarometer and the Open Society Foundation akawo ho abomote African Judicial Independence Fund. But I any about person de ebebo won ho eban na atentene ne adwuma wo mamu ni wiase no so betumi agina na na so Adom TV etwasi.
Interference does not only affect the independence existence of our judiciary, but also has everything to do with the low levels of confidence we're experiencing as members of the public in the work of the justices, where most members of the public hold the belief or perception that for those who wield power can never win a fight against them. Without an independent judiciary, you and I will not have that confidence to approach the courts without disputes. And if that happens, where would you go?
Isanse eye dwumedia wo be hyemuke na ebebra to yefemu hanyinanti President of the Supreme Court of Kenya William Muyoki Mutunga ebe dwumedia sibia o kire se
the cabinet that was dismissed, comprised of people who actually had faced various crimes, and the cases were withdrawn. Murder, corruption, all manner of stuff. But that is because the judiciary doesn't hawk for cases. They have to come from the Director of Public Prosecutions. Even the deputy president had a criminal case, and it was withdrawn under the law. But as long as the withdrawal is not absolute, the case can always be resurrected.
Adom TV Badwam kase na ugiso ehwe no yato so dia Voter Lake Transport Company mpenufo aba be ya no kwa from plains adoba for ye kira won mo ye fa ye subonto no a wonde edi akoniaba wonsuo no so enye no onyama won no wayi won wano kire se sa ha won nyina won guso wo ye ho hyehye behwe se etu obetwa
se engine no na enye adwuma na emom component na eka homa engine no ebeye adwuma no eno na engine ba konsa component no ye den asay propeller any shuttle no ade a ye ewo Ghana ha tem bia ebese ye sese ye to no ye kafi ye den abroche na ye den eba na enhihye nso ye den ewo ho enti saa ne to no anase onsa beka propeller ne ntemo no se ebi ade ehye so asay no eno na ye ana challenge kakra, but kase impenifo ayeden akra even propeller ni bi fi abroche aye 4 aye den yede eba abe replace ana old one ana say dey asay no
emani boni ene akwantufuo bi etwetwe nkom
ye mo de chain aso benkum nifa ana yi piano enti didi kan enya dwuma engine nya dwuma bibia nya dwuma isusu sakeke ya kire die na ya twe no na nyima je say obi a insusu so ade ya kire na ya twe no no ya lata wo hwa etesen edi hu ana eba etu yeso
yete so anokure yakoma kita yensem ebe dru se ade yi betu se be yo abedane ne hokura ya asem enti ye bompa ya ne koduru ne kogina nso a eya asem kese se be yo ebegina ma yetu yesi ni nyina yo how kese mai ade se ye nyenle omode bomano ye beye nso ye nyeda enti no aban no wo mwe
Mayento so na wochie mu dadwoada ne ebo mu amane se adehye ye wo bupeni ne mpotamu afarefo esun fi se primate fo no won ni bi ene ya make say won nya no yi amampanifo abre won mu bia adom kase etwaso
na Gbaglaza coordinator ya wo hwe bupe premix fi also e wo central gonja mensini ni mu oni amani boni enkomotwetwe mu en wo kire mu se nani age pa se wo de fuel tanker aba bupe se be ya manfo a wonu mehiam premix fi wo no obenya bie wodi tuja se adwumayefo a wonom ewo volta lake no so eye se wodi wonade agufam a wonya adwuma enenam so a ema aban edefa ngo no ebre wonom a wodi hyema eye adwuma ewo honom ene afarefuo ni nyina se wonko akomanto wonyem sanse obia ebenya fa ngo ni bi na wodi akotoa so aye na adwuma
ahead the new station ya register fisherman for the boat money ye bi tax le besia any machines it's a unique card wo ho a mutimi enya access to the previous food okay ti dia koso nyina no ya abi free yo obi mo ha munya fisherman no be di line no be di petrol ne dia so ye fisherman no onu mo wonya no kan so na dani ase any person be dey different ni ma me papa ha o ma tati ti go Ghana if you didn't have a now, you have a scene. The Sylvia, the Debian you will be without cat. When you cut when you have
Mamina no Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay ye de asie ni ada wasepa mrene adaje abribia wonya de ma ye na hwe dwumadi ahodoi enko babia na twen ye de bonkrata no ba the online stories and so kano ye de bro so Adom TV wo Facebook/Adom TV Extra and also YouTube Adom TV Tube ko adomonline.com and sama wodo bia wo peti o memu ne nkofo de ni nyina so egu ho ma ko podcast show bi a wo message ye wo ko ho no ma ehon so ye de egu ho ye kwaba